I'm Hope from Hope Embroidery, and today I'll be showing you sheaf stitch. You can see a finished block of sheaf stitch here on the left. I promise the video slows down once I finish stitching all of my straight stitches, and what I'm doing here is stitching straight stitches in multiples of 3. So 3 in the middle to help me keep my line straight, 3 more next to that group, and so on and so on. Sheaf stitch can be worked as either an open fill, like what I'm doing here, or even as an isolated stitch. So if you're filling in an area, you can start by stitching all of your straight stitches first, but you can also stitch them one by one if that's what you prefer. Now remember that we laid down these straight stitches in multiples of 3. So bring your needle up through your fabric in between a second and a third stitch. Bring your needle underneath your third stitch without piercing the fabric or floss and pull. Now bring your needle underneath all 3 stitches, again without piercing your fabric or floss. And when you pull, you'll see that your 3 stitches are gathered at the middle. Finally, bring your needle back down through your fabric to secure your first sheaf stitch. And I'm gonna let the rest of this row play at normal speed so you can watch me do it, a few more times. And that's it. So if written and photo instructions are easier for you to follow, I'm going to leave a link to my blog in the description of this video for you.